So now we have come to number 2, right? So how do we do it? This is also quite similar. So what does it say? It says that determine whether g of x is equal to p of x or not. All right, so here we are given this polynomial and we are given g of x to be x plus 1. So as we have done previously, we are going to put this x plus 1 is equal to 0 and we are going to find out the value of x. So let's see. Here we are going to write it as x plus 1 equals 0. Then of course you know x will equal to minus 1, right? So now since you know x equal to minus 1, so in the places of x everywhere you're going to put minus 1. All right, so let's solve. So 2, then minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, right? Understood? Just I have replaced the value of x with minus 1, right? Now here, see, here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, you're going to get minus 1 only. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, all right? Now here plus, you know, minus into minus is plus, so 1 square will be 1 only, so it will be plus 1, right? Then here you have minus into minus is plus, then you have 2 into 1 is 2, then again here minus 1, right? I hope it's clear, you're understanding. So now what do we do? This minus 2 and minus 1 becomes what? Minus 3. Then plus 1 plus 2 becomes what? Again plus 3. So you will cancel this plus minus. What do you get? You get 0. So yes, you can say that g of x is equal to p of x, right? G of x, that is x plus 1 is equal to p of x, right? Now we have number 2, second one, right? So here this one we are going to do in a similar way as we have done for number 1, right? So here as you can see, we have to find again whether g of x is equal to p of x or not, and if the answer we get it to be as 0, then yes, we can say that g of x is equal to p of x. So here, see, I have already found it out for you. What is the value of x? The value of x is minus 2. So as you know, we are going to put minus 2 in this problem and we are going to find what the answer is. Alright, let's see now. So x cube means minus 2 cube plus 3 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Alright, this much you understood. Now this one, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, you get what? You get minus 8, right? Minus 8 you will write here, then plus here 3, then this one, minus 2 into minus 2 is what? Plus 4, right? So you get here 4, then plus into minus is minus, then 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, right? Now minus 8, then plus into plus is plus, that means 12 minus 6 plus 1. Now you observe the negative, negative and positive, positive. See, negative, negative, what we have? 8 plus 6, what we get? Minus 14, right? Minus 14 plus, we get here what? 12 plus 1 is, 12 plus 1 is what? 12 plus 1 is 13, right? 13. So now minus 14 plus 13 is what? Minus 1, right? So we get here minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So therefore we can say g of x, that is what? X plus 2 is not a factor, right? Is not a factor of p of x. So now we have the last problem of question number 2, sub number 3, right? So how do we solve it? This is also similar, right, with the previous sums. So how we are going to do that? G of x, we have to find out the value of x, right? So how do we do it? X minus 3 equals 0, then x is equal to plus 3, right? So now we are going to put plus 3 in this polynomial. So let's do it. right? So plus 3, right? So 3 cube minus 4, then 3 square plus 3 plus 6, right? So 3 into 3 into 3 is what? You get 27, right? 27. Then minus into plus is minus, then 4 into, alright, before this we will solve this. 3 into 3 is 9, right? Plus 3 plus 6. And then now 27 minus into plus is minus, then 36 here. 4 into 9 is 36, right? Plus 3 plus 6. Now you see all the negative ones. So where do you see the negative ones? Only minus 36, right? Then positive ones. 27 plus 3 is how much? You get 30 plus 6 is 36 plus 36. So minus plus cancel, how much you got? 0, right? So yes, g of x is equal to p of x, right? So g of x equals p of x, right? So this is the answer.